by Leslie Sims. When you hear this sound, turn the page. Lizard is reading his book in the sun. He looks up and grins at his friends. This book's fun. It's all about snow. But what's snow, do you know? Snow makes us slow. In snow we don't go. I want to see snow, Lizard says with a sigh. I want to make snowflakes float down from the sky. But lizards aren't wizards. Well, I'm going to try. He isn't a wizard, but Lizard is clever. He loves to put all sorts of odd stuff together. The next day, he shows them his Make Snow invention. He flicks up a switch, and his friends pay attention.